Most men spend their whole lives working hard, grinding endlessly, but never actually getting ahead. They wait for luck, quick fixes, or cheap motivation. But the top 1% play by a completely different set of rules. They build quiet, simple habits that make them win naturally without shouting for attention. If you want to stop getting overlooked and start gaining real, unshakable respect, master these 9 practical skills starting today. Number 1, build your body. Working out for just 30 minutes a day isn't about vanity. Physical strength fixes your posture, elevates your baseline energy, and triggers a subconscious signal in other people to take you seriously the moment you enter a room. Focus on basic compound lifts, push-ups, squats, and pull-ups. Number 2, know how to fight. When you know you can defend yourself and the people next to you, social anxiety disappears. Join a boxing or Brazilian jiu-jitsu gym for just 3 months. Learning to handle physical pressure builds a calm confidence that makes you walk taller and stay composed under stress. Number 3, deep focus. The modern man checks his phone every 2 minutes. To build an unfair advantage, practice the 90-minute phone-free block. Put your phone in another room and give 100% focus to one main task. You will accomplish more deep work in a single afternoon than most people do in a full week. Number 4, clear speaking. Great ideas mean nothing if you stumble when explaining them. Speak at a measured pace, lower your vocal pitch, and eliminate filler words like and like. Strong. Clear speech commands attention and opens doors that quiet, hesitant people never get to enter. Number 5, deal making. Life is a constant series of negotiations, whether for money, status, or respect. The golden rule is simple. Whoever speaks less holds the power. Learn to state your offer clearly, comfortable with awkward silence, and let the other side respond first. Number 6, money control. Earning money is only half the battle. If your expenses scale with your income, you stay trapped. Follow the 50-30-20 rule. Spend 50% on essentials, save and invest 30%, and use 20% for personal growth. Control your budget today, or financial stress will control your entire future. Number 7, emotional control. Reacting with anger or panic is a low-status habit. When chaos hits, apply the 4-second rule. Pause, take a deep breath, analyze the situation logically, and then respond. A man who stays calm while everyone else panics becomes an immediate leader. Number 8 and 9, your circle and daily habits. Audit your inner circle today. If your close friends lack ambition, they will slowly drag your standards down to theirs. Surround yourself with men who push you forward. Pair that with non-negotiable daily habits. Waking up early, reading, and moving daily. Small actions repeated consistently always beat temporary bursts of talent. You don't need luck or favorable odds when your daily routine is airtight. Pick just one of these 9 skills to focus on today. Execute it silently and watch your reality transform. The choice is yours.